Some cricket now. The West Indies won their first game in their limited overs home series against India after a 5-wicket victory on Monday to level their 5-match T20 series at 1 apiece at Warner Park in St Kitts. They were led by a man-of-the-match performance from fast bowler Obed McCoy, who registered the best figures in T20 internationals by a West Indian.
3 hours after the scheduled start due to baggage problems, Obed McCoy surprised Rohit Sharma with the first ball of the innings. The first ball of his second provided more joy for the pacer, who nicked off Surya Kumar Yadav at 17 for 2. After taking a pasting in his first over, Azari Joseph joined the party to dismiss Shreyas Iyer at 40 for 3. The Indians finished the power play at 60 for 3, but 3 balls later, Akil Hussain got rid of the dangerous Rishabh Pant for 24. The innings would take a twist when Hardik Pandya holed out for 31 at 104 for 5 off Jason Holder. From there, the Vincentian was turning out to be the real McCoy as he ripped through the middle lower order that crumbled to 129 for 9. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, the 6th victim for McCoy, as he finished with 6 for 17, the best figures by a Caribbean bowler in the format and the 6th 6-for in international T20s. Jason Holder mopped up the innings at 138 to end with 2 for 23. 139 to get, Jamaican Brandon King was majestic with his timing early in the innings that saw Kyle Mears scratch his way to 8 of 14 balls before departing to Pandya at 46 for 1. 25 runs later, Nicholas Puran fell for 14 and the Windies dug themselves into a hole at 83 for 3 inside the 13th over when Shimran Hetmeyer was dismissed. King continued on his merry way and pummeled the bowling all around the park to slam 10 boundaries inclusive of 8 fours and 2 sixes. The right-hander in a rush to finish the chase was bowled by Avish Khan at 107 for 4 for 68. Rahman Powell huffed and puffed in his 8 balls but could only muster 5. 15 needed off 10 at that stage, but as things got tense in the final over, Devon Thomas crashed a free hit into the crowd. The Antiguan then carved the winning runs with 4 balls to spare to finish unbeaten on 31. The victory meant the Windies were beating Rohit Sharma as captain for the first time in 11 white ball matches. The third match takes place on Tuesday at the same venue. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.